now into the sea. It's going to be refreshing, cool. We will have the fresh breeze from the sea. So it's going to be really more enjoyable than to stay on the land. So my name is Matisse, and today on the wheel is amazing Captain Naim. And also we have all my friends in the crew, Richard and Sisi. And all together we are going to take you for a wonderful mini cruise here in Larnaca Bay, all the way to Mackenzie Beach. And this is where we are going to stop for the swimming. But I would just like to introduce some safety procedures that we have here on board, especially for the swimming time. When we stop for the swimming, please don't swim too far away from the boat, stay nearby, don't go on the beach, and don't go on other boats, of course. Also, if you need any swimming equipment, such as life jackets or snorkeling equipment, masks and scuba, you can ask us, the crew. We will provide it for you. Of course, it's for free. Only for mask and scuba, we ask for a deposit. But we give you back as soon as you give back the material, of course. Also, protect yourself. Now the sun is really strong. It's noon, so it's better to wear some sunscreen, some sunglasses as well. And also, please don't throw any trashes on the sea. Respect the wildlife as well.
שלום,
So
מה
today
נשמע?
you are on
מה שלומכם?
and Doremi is
הכל
our
בסדר?
home, and she has 3 decks. So you have the upper deck.
מאיפה אתם?
There you have some tables. It's good for
לא,
you.
איזה עיר?
And on the main deck, you will have the bridge. On the bridge, you have captain. You
And
can
it's
stand
funny.
with him, take some pictures. He has the captain's hat, so it's really cool. And also, you have the bar. At the bar for you, we have soft drinks, also alcoholic drinks, and also some snacks if you are hungry. And finally, you will find at the bottom the toilet and the changing room. Please don't throw any papers on the toilet because we don't want it to get clogged, of course. And also on the bottom, we have a glass bottom. So if you want to see the bottom of the sea, you can go down and have a look. So thank you very much that you are with us today. I wish you to relax, to enjoy, to take some beautiful pictures. And very soon we are going to be at our swimming stop.
שומע? יש לי ילדים למטה שהם רואים בפנים וזה פה למטה לא שמה, פה למטה אתה יכול להסתכל.
First time I see it.
Star YouTube number 1, Star YouTube number 2. Cheese.
Gracias,